Jiving with the phrase, jive with, understanding slang in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might have heard in English conversations, jive with. This phrase is a bit of slang and is quite popular in informal speech. Let's explore what it means, how you can use it, and look at some examples to get comfortable with this funky expression. First things first. What does jive with actually mean? When someone says that something doesn't jive with something else, they are essentially saying that the two things do not agree or are not in harmony. The phrase can be used in various contexts, from talking about opinions to discussing plans or even fashion choices. You might be curious about where this phrase comes from. Jive is a term that originated from African American vernacular English and first became popular in the 1920s and 1930s in the jazz communities. It initially referred to a lively, unpredictable form of music or dance, and later evolved to mean a kind of playful, teasing talk. Let's put jive with into action. Here are a few examples. Her version of the story doesn't jive with the facts. I would love to join you, but your schedule doesn't jive with mine. His laid-back attitude doesn't really jive with the company's dynamic environment. Notice how in each case, jive with indicates a lack of coherence or agreement between two elements. While jive with is the most common form, you might also hear jibe with, and guess what? They both mean the same thing, so don't be confused if you encounter both variations in spoken or written English. And that's a wrap on jive with. It's a cool phrase that can add a bit of flair to your English conversations. I hope this video helps you understand and use jive with confidently. Remember, language learning is a journey, so keep practicing and let your skills groove with the rhythms of English. Until next time, keep jiving with your learning adventures.